Hello everyone, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. In this session, we will learn to knit 2 stitches together, leaning to the left. Thus, we will learn to decrease stitches. For the sample, I have cast on 15 stitches on the needle and knitted 2 rows in stockinette stitch with classic stitches. We slip the first edge stitch onto the right needle. Then, we will knit our 2 stitches together leaning to the left. We slip the first stitch onto the right needle, moving from left to right, like a classic stitch. The second stitch we knit as a classic knit stitch. After this, we have our first stitch, which is the edge stitch, the second one slipped, and the third one knitted. We pass the slipped stitch, the second one, over our knitted stitch. We pull it over our last stitch. On the needles, we have 2 stitches. The first is the edge stitch, and from the 2, we have created 1. Let's do it again. We slip the first stitch onto the right needle, moving from left to right. We knit the second stitch as a classic knit stitch, which means through the front loop. And we pass our slipped stitch over the last stitch on the right needle, just like that. We can see that our stitch leans to the left once more. We slip onto the right needle as a knit stitch. We knit the next stitch classically through the front loop. And we pass our slipped stitch over the knitted stitch. That is, the knit stitch goes into the slipped stitch. This way, we knit 2 stitches into 1. We turn the work. We slip the first edge stitch onto the right needle and then start knitting normal purls and classic knits. We can see that our stitches lean to the left. That's all for now. If you have any questions, ask in the comments, subscribe, like, and see you in new sessions. Bye bye.